Solving a system of non-linear equations. This is the problem statement, and it is obtain the values of x and y that satisfy the following two non-linear algebraic equations. And two algebraic equations are given to you on the screen. How we will solve this problem? First, we need to assume some initial values of x and y. These are x0 and y0. Then at these initial values we will obtain the values of the functions given. Here the functions are f and g, so we will get the values of these functions at x0 and y0, and these are f0 and g0. Next step is to find the partial derivatives of function f and function g. Here on the screen you see the partial derivatives of function f with respect to x and y. And now here the partial derivatives of function g are given with respect to x and y. Next step is to get the numerical values of the partial derivatives at x0 and y0. The numerical values of the all four partial derivatives you need to calculate. Next step is to find the value d, and the formula is given on the screen. Now the numerical value of d you will find at x0 and y0 with the formula that was shown in the previous screen. Next step is to find the value of delta x and delta y. The formula is given here. And the numerical values of delta x and delta y you will find at x0 and y0. Then you will find the new values of x and y, and the formula is given here. The old value x0 and y0, and then you will add the change in the x values and y values, and you will get the new values of x and y. This procedure is repeated until the difference between the old and new values are very small. It is less than the tolerance that you have decided for your solution. Here we start the Scilab codes. We will assume some initial values. These initial values are put in the variables x new and y new. Here you see the while loop that is used for the iteration. It is the first part of the while loop. All the things you can see which we discussed in the previous algorithm, that is the function values of function f and g, and the values of partial derivatives of each function. This is the second part of the while loop. Here you see the capital D value and delta x value, delta y value, and x new value you are getting. Then you are comparing the new values and the old values and seeing that if it is less than the tolerance value, and if it is less than the tolerance value, you will break the loop. This way you will display the new values of x and y on the Scilab screen. This is the result after running the Scilab codes. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. This way this program is done.